Hi guys, so here we are with new releases from Mag Pearl, and am I channeling the 70s or what? Embroidered denim on denim. I don't care, I love it. It's Mag Pearl, it's fun, it should be fun. So the embroidered sable shirt, it really is gorgeous, so soft. The denim has been washed like 1,000 times prior to embroidery. Just so cute. And then we get a touch of gorgeous with the Swarna, beautiful shirt. Oh, and the color is beautiful. The embroidery, it's so feminine, it's so pretty. White jeans. Back to a little art. We have got the Kelly Western shirt in Bisou, rainbow, love. Speaking of love, a little re-release of the boyfriend t-shirt from the Season of Love collection. And we add to love the new Peace applique in Marigold, okay? So what better time now to talk about peace and love? And then finally, we've got a cool little fun print, the Go-Go Dot on Dylan. Maybe if we get like a petition going, we can get more print on Dylan, because we know everybody loves that t-shirt. And this is just, it's magnificent, guys. You have to touch it. The softness of the suede, the beauty of the applique, the third eye, the Aztec bird, and gorgeous sitting bull on the back of the native leather jacket and saddle. It is just so beautiful. So a few new releases. Let's bring back the 70s in a fun way. New Mag Pearl.